Hi friends, we are going to work on S-blends today. So I'm going to make sure my screen is in the right place. We're going to practice some S-blends and we learned these last week. All right, listen as I say some words and we're going to think about which one does not belong. So we have sit, spot, and spill. Which one does not have an S-blend? Sit, spot, and spill. Look, they both have an SP, so sit would not belong. Now let's listen to these ones. Snap, safe, and snake. Which one does not belong? This one has a sn and a sn, so it would be safe. That does not have an S blend. And the last one, skip, skate, and spell. Look, sk, sk, sp. That's a trick one. They all have S blends, but spell does have a P instead of a K. So if we needed to say which one didn't belong, it would probably be spell. All right, listen as I say some sounds and then you say the word. Ready? S-n-a-p. What's the word? Snap. S-p-a-t. Spot. S-p-i-l. Spill. S-m-a-k. Smock. Sk-it. Skit. And the last one, sk-id. Skid. All right. All right, now we're gonna do this. This is so fun. We're gonna change one sound to make a whole new word. These ones are so cool. Ready? I'm gonna say a word and then we're gonna change one sound. You can write these down if you want to. You don't have to, but make sure you're thinking and saying them. Here we go. Slip. Say the word. Slip. We're going to change the O to an N. So slip becomes snip. That was a tricky one. All right, the next one is smell. Say the word. Smell. Change the to a P. Smell turns into sp. Spell. Spell. All right, the next one is spot. Say the word. Spot. Change the P to a O. So instead of spot, it becomes slot. Slot. And the last one, slam. Change the O to a W. So instead of slam, it's swam. Swam. Isn't that so cool? We change one sound and it changes the whole word. Okay, now you need to write. So you need a pencil and your reading notebook to write these words. So let's write. She is going to skip. So let's think of the sounds. Skip. Okay, go ahead and write it. Let's think of the blend. It'd be sk. And this one, it's a K. Sometimes the C makes the K sound, but in this case, it's a K. All right, let's go to the next one. Smell. Let's think of the sounds. Smell. Smell. What would the S blend be? Go ahead and write it. Okay. Smell. Smell. Okay, you should have both of these written in your notebook. If you didn't write it correctly, go ahead and write it now. Notice the L has a double consonant at the end, 2 L's. All right, we're going to write some more. Step. Let's think of the sounds. Step. Step. Go ahead and write it. Okay, so it'd be step. So S-T-E-P. Is that what you have? I hope so. All right, now this one is swim. Let's think of the sounds. S-w-i-m. Swim. What would the blend be? Go ahead and write it. S-w-i-m. There we go. S-W-I-M. Is that what you have? I hope so. Make sure you have both of those written just like that. Step and swim. Because remember, the more we see it, hear it, say it, and write it, that helps our brain make those connections so we will remember it. All right, let's keep going. I think we have 2 more words to write. Ooh, slip. Don't slip on the banana. Let's think of the sounds. S-l-i-p. So what would our S blend be? Go ahead and write it. S-O-I-P, slip. So it's an S and an L. Make sure you have that written down. Okay, now we have spell. Let's think of the sounds. S-P-E-L. Spell. So what do we need at the beginning? S-P-L. Spell. Is that what you have? If so, give yourself a pat on the back. Way to go. All right, you should have those 2 words written in your notebook. That is all for our S blends, and I will see you in a bit to do R blends and sight words and our decodable. See you later.